Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this session, we will discuss exercise 3.6 of additional mathematics for O-level and IGCSE students. Uh, in this session, we will solve some equations involving surds. And here in this problem number 1, we can see that the coefficient of x is a surd. So we have to find the value of x in problem number 1, and similarly for problem number 2 we have x and y, so we have to solve the simultaneous equations involving surds. And similarly for problem number 3 we have to simplify the variable is under the roots, so this variable is in form of surds, so this we have to solve every problem. So let's start from problem number 1. We have given 1a under root 12x minus under root 5x is equal to under root 3. So this under root 3, so we take the square root as a common, so x is common, so under root 3 minus 5 is equal x is equal to under root 3, so x is equal to under root 3 under root divided by under root 12 minus under root 5. So make it rationalize, so we have obtained this result. So this is easy, so we have done it earlier, so how to rationalize the denominators. Similarly for this one and this one. So shift it on the right hand side, so this is take x common and then denominators, and that's rationalization of the denominator with this plus. If it is minus, then we should have plus, and finally we have obtained these results. For these results, simultaneous equations, so on addition, with this y will cancel out, so this 3x plus 2 x is equal to 5x is equal to 5 under root 2 plus 5, and x is equal to 5 under root 2 plus 5 divided by 5, and take 5 common, so this becomes x is equal to under root 2 plus 1. Now this we can substitute in any one of the equation. Let's substitute in the second one. Here x 2 under root 2 plus 1 plus y is equal to this, so y is equal to 5 minus 2 under root 2 minus 2, so 3 minus 2 under root 2 is the answer. So y is this, x is this. So this is the solution in the form of surds. Similarly for problem number C, we have this 3x plus y is equal to 6, and from this we have y is equal to 6 minus 3x, and the second one is 4x plus 3y is equal to 8 minus 5 under root 2. So we will place this y in here, so this becomes 4x 3 and 6 minus 3x is here, so this is, so we will solve for x, so this is 18 9x, this is minus 5x, 18 may be shifted on the right, so 8 minus 5 under root 5 minus, here it is plus, on the other side is negative, so this is minus 10 500, so taking y minus common, so x is equal to 10 divided by 5 under root 5 divided by 5, so the cancellation minus 5, so 2 plus under root 5 is the x value, and we can substitute it here to get the value of y. So y is equal to 6 minus 3x, and this is 5, so this is minus 3 under root 5. So this one x plus under root 2y is equal to 5 plus 4 under root 2, and x plus y is equal to 8. From this second equation we can place y is equal to 8 minus x and can substitute in the first one. So x plus 2x, 8 minus x plus 1. Now we will solve it for x. So this is x, this is 8 under root 2 minus under root 2x is equal to 5 plus 4 under root 2. This is x may be taken common and this may be shifted to the right. So 5 plus 4 under root 2 minus 8 under root 2. This is x. This is minus 4 under root 2. 5 plus minus 4 under root 2 divided by 1 minus under root 2. So make it rationalize by this way. So this is on simplifications we have obtained this. So the result x is 3 minus under root 2. Now we can place this in this equation, this, so can obtain value of y. So we have placed this in place of x, this value. So value of y is equal to 5 plus under root 2. So this is the answer. Now solve for this one. 10 under root x minus 4 is equal to 7 under root x plus 6. So this is 7 will be shifted on the left, 4 on the right. So this is under root x may be taken common. So this is 10 minus 7. Here it is 10 under root x is equal to 10 upon 3. Taking square root on both sides. So this is x, this is 100, this is 9. So x is equal to 100 by 9. Similarly for this part C, 7x plus 9 is equal to 10 under root x plus 10. So shift it to the right, and this should be shifted to the it may be shifted to this side and maybe this side. So we have this 10x minus 7x is equal to 9 minus 10. 10 may be shifted here, so this 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. So this is 3 minus 1 divided by 3. So under root x is equal to minus 1 over 3. This is not possible to get the value of x because this obtained in complex solutions. So under root x will always give a positive solution. So this is becomes imaginary because under root minus 1 is considered imaginary numbers. So this is a complex number or imaginary number. So this is not a solution. So part B. Part F. Let's start part F. 5x minus 1 is equal to under root x plus 7. So taking square root on both sides, it becomes 5x minus 1. This is x plus 7. So shifted it on the best of possibilities. So this is minus x, this is plus 1 here, x equal to 2. So this is 2 here and this is 2 here. This is 2 plus 7, 9. 2 5 by 10 minus 1, 9, 9, 3, 3. So this is easy, satisfying. 3 plus 5 and this, and this may be shifted here by taking square root on both sides, taking square on both sides. So it becomes this. So x is equal to 15. And, similarly for this one, so this is 2x square whole square on the both sides. So this becomes 5x square minus 4x is equal to 8. X square is equal to 8. So x taking square root on both sides. So this is plus minus under root 2. Only positive solution possible. So x is equal to 2 under root 2. And 2 minus under root x plus 5 is equal to 7. So shifted to the right and left. then x plus 5 is equal to 12 minus 7. This may be shifted here, this on the right side, so x plus 5 on the right positive and 12 minus 7 is this, so this is 5 and this. Now take square on both sides and this becomes 25, so x is equal to 20. We can put this value of x in the given equation to satisfy the left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now solve for this 2x minus 1 for this and taking square on both sides, and this we have obtained x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to this, x is minus 1 whole square is equal to 1, so x is 1 1, so x is 1 1. If we place 1 here, so this becomes 1 and 1 1, so it's satisfying. Similarly 2x plus 3 under root minus x is equal to 0, shifting this x on the other side, taking square on both sides, then we have this solution, and then x is equal to 3 and minus 1, but this minus 1 is not possible with this one, so x is equal to 3 in the solution, because in surds this minus 1 gives a complex numbers. So this 10 minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 10, then shift this x to the right and take square on both sides, and x square, this is 10 minus 2x, this is 1 minus 2x plus x square, a plus a minus b whole square, this is open like this, and this x square and this shift, this may be cancelled out, and 10 minus 9, so x square minus 9 is equal to 0, x minus 3x plus 3, so only x minus 3 is satisfying, because we place this 3 here, then if we place minus 3 here, then it becomes 1 plus 3 equal to 4. If we place minus 3 here, then 3 to the 6 plus 10 is 16. So this is x is equal to minus 3 is a solution, because x is equal to 3 is not possible here. When x in place of this minus 3 plus 3, then it becomes plus 3, then it becomes 6, and 10 minus 6 is 4 and 3, 2 plus 3 is not possible, so this is not satisfying, so only x minus 3 is the solution, because this is satisfying the equation. So we have to check that whether the result is satisfying or not. So this is x minus 3 is satisfying, so satisfying this equation, so this one is the solution. So all probable solution is not a solution, only the probable solution that satisfying the equation is the solution. So we have to check it. Similarly for this one, this taking square on both sides, and this side x plus 15, on this side we have a plus b whole square, this is this, so by rearranging it, x square and then 5x, and then shifted it to minus 6 equal to 0, and then factorize it to get x plus 6 and x minus 1 bracket 0, x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 1. So by placing 1 here, so this becomes 16 and 1 it becomes 4, so 16 under root 16 4, so 1 is satisfying. Now place minus 6 here and then minus 6 here, so this is not satisfying, so the 1 is the solution because it is satisfying it. Similar for this F1, and for this one, under root x plus 5 plus 1 is equal to x, then shift it 1 to the right, and this, and taking a square on both sides, and this comes out to be in this form by rearranging it on one side, x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0, and now factorize it, we have obtained this. Now place value of x equal to 4 or minus 1, so place 4 here, So placing 4, it becomes 9 under root 9 is equal to 3. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, so the x is 4. So this is satisfying. 4 is satisfying. Minus 1, now place minus 1 here. This becomes 4. 4 under root is 2. 2 plus 1 is not satisfying this. So this minus 1 is not satisfying, but x is equal to 4 is satisfying. This is the solution. Here we have this one, 4x minus 3 plus 2x minus 1. So shifting out on the other side and taking square on both sides and rearranging, we get this, and this is this. So x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. So x is 1 1. So we place x is equal to 1 here and 1 here. So this becomes under root 1, and on placing this, this is 2 minus 1 1. 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. It's not satisfying. So this no satisfying, not satisfying. X is equal to 1, not satisfying. So the solution is not possible. Similarly for this one. Now this one, 2x plus 3 minus under root 20x plus 9 is equal to 0. Shifting it on the right hand side and then taking square on both sides. 2x plus 3 square 20x plus 9, and then shifting it right, and this is a plus b whole square, and on rearranging it, so this 9 9 cancel. This is minus 8x, so taking 4 common, 4x common, x is 2, so x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 2, and place it here. 0 0 0, so 3 minus 3 0, so satisfying. 0 is satisfying, and now 2 is there. 2 to the 4 plus 3 7, 2 here. 40 plus 9 7, okay, right, both satisfying. So x is equal to 0 and both are the solution. Now solving this, a 2x plus 7 is equal to under root x plus 3 under root plus 1. So we have to shift it. We take the square on both sides. So this is 2x plus 7, and this is x plus 3. This is a plus 2ab, and then b square. So this is 1. So by shifting x plus 3 here, and this is 7, it may be shifted to the right, except this one. So this becomes x, and by shifting this 3 plus 1 is 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So this is 3. X plus 3 is equal to 2 under x plus 3 under root. So taking a square on both sides, this becomes x plus 3 whole square. This becomes 4 x plus 3. So on obtaining from a plus x plus 3 whole square is equal to x square plus 6x plus 9 on this side, 4x plus 12. Shifting it on this side, 4x and 12. So this becomes plus 2x, and it becomes minus 3. Now factorize it. On factorization, we have obtained x minus 3, x plus 3, x minus 1. So x is equal to 1 or minus 3. And now place this value x equal to 1 here in this equation. 1 becomes 9, 1 here, become 4, 4 plus 1, 4 means 2, plus 1, 3, here 1, 2 plus 7, 9, and the 9 is equal to 3, 3. So both sides satisfying. Now minus 3 here. So this is 6, minus 6 is 1, minus 3 is cancel out, 0. So this is 1, this is 1. So this is satisfying. So both satisfying. Similarly for other ones. Now let's solve this. X plus 1 under root minus under root x is equal to 1, and shift this to the right hand side. X plus 1 under root 1 plus x under root. Now taking square on both sides, this becomes x plus 1. This is 1 plus 2 under root x a plus b whole square. So this is x because under root x square is x. So this x cancels out and this 1 cancels out. 2x under root x is 0. X is equal to 0 is the solution. So place this x is equal to 0 here, 0 here. Under root 1 is equal to 1 is correct, satisfying. Now solve this. 16 minus 2x is equal to 2 plus 36 plus 6. So this is 6. We know a plus b whole square, a plus 2ab plus b square, and now shifting it on simplification we have obtained this. From here we take the square again on both sides. This becomes this is this. So now simplification we have obtained 2x 2 plus 9. Here x is equal to 0 and 2x is equal to minus 9 upon 2 and x minus 4 upon 2. 5 minus 9 upon 2 is satisfying this one. On placing it and we see that this one is satisfying. So minus 4.5 is the solution. Similar for this one, square root in p plus pq. So this is x square minus 2 under root 6 x plus 5. Now applying using a quadratic formula. So this is b and this is c and this is 1. So placing it appropriately and we have obtained value this. So this is p is equal to under root 6 plus 1 and q is under root 6 minus 1 and p is greater than q. So this is greater than q. So this is solution. So p upon q is equal to we have to obtain this also. A ratio of p and q. This is also the part of this question. So we have to obtain and write this p upon q in this form. So we have been doing it. So this p and q is obtained. So p upon q is right down in this form. Now let's solve question number 7. We have this a, b and c is given as this, and we have to find the discriminant. It is 25. So b square is plus minus this. So this value is already known. Plus minus 5. And so we have obtained this. So 2 plus under root 2 and this one. So this is the solution of this problem. In the next session we will discuss examination question, that is exercise number